Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to add a filter to your Snapchat. Filters can add creativity and fun to your snaps, making them more engaging and entertaining. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. By default, the app will open to the Explore section, also known as the Camera section. Take a picture by tapping the Capture button at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Once you've taken your picture, it's time to add a filter. Tap on the Sparkly Magnifying glass icon located on the right side of the screen. This will open up the filter selection menu. Step 4. Browse through the available lenses and filters. To select a lens, tap on it once. You can preview how the lens looks on your snap before applying it. Step 5. Once you've found the perfect lens, tap on the Save button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will apply the selected lens to your snap. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a filter to your Snapchat, adding creativity and fun to your snaps. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.